'cause this life is no good alone. Since we've become one, I made a change, and everything I do now makes sense. All roads end, all I do is for you.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Robert the Balloon Stylist. So today, I'm going to be working with these new colors that I have here. Let's blow them up.
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to double stuff these two balloons here, which is the Satin Pearl and the White Sand. Balloon stick, White Sand balloon, Satin Pearl, place it on top of both the balloon stick and the White Sand balloon. Twist it in there, slide it down, and there you go. You created a double stuffed balloon. So now I'm going to blow them up. Very beautiful. Very pretty. Make sure you give it that round shape. Tie your balloons together by using the inside of the tail. One tie. Two different sizes, and there you go. So now I'm going to go ahead and create my balloon garland by putting everything together and see how it all turns out. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm using safety pins and my 260.
I'm so excited.